So the next thing that I want to do is draw a line. Now, if you haven't noticed already, push-pull P, rectangle R, so line is just going to be L. And anywhere that you can start a line that it makes the most sense, your mouse, or at least SketchUp, will automatically try and do. So if you see here, as I'm dragging my mouse across the edge of this, it wants to hover along the edge, and it even jumps to different things called endpoints and midpoints. So I'm going to draw from an endpoint down to the endpoint. So I just clicked, and then I clicked again, right? We don't click and hold in SketchUp, we just click. Next, I want to use my circle tool. This is going to be the number 1 side of my die. And again, you can probably guess that the circle tool, we press C. Now my circle, I want to start at the midpoint of that line, because that line, the midpoint of this line, I should say, will be the exact center of the face of that cube. And again, I just click, not click and drag. Now when we're typing in our distance for our circle, we're going to do this in inches. The default is the smallest measurement, depending on whether you're using feet and inches or meters and millimeters. So because this inches is smaller than feet, all I have to do is type 6. I don't actually need the quotes. I can just type 6 and hit enter to get a 6-inch circle. The other thing to remember when you're doing circles is that the distance that you're typing is the radius. So if I type 6 enter, my radius is 6. My diameter then is 12. So the whole way across my circle is 12.